We hope that the countdown you're about to see in this video serves as an inspiration to hit the treadmill. We certainly have. So presenting to you, dear viewers, some of the most remarkable weight losses in Hollywood. Mariah Carey comes first in our list. The Touch My Body singer probably has a lot to gloat about after the tremendous weight loss following the birth of her twin son and daughter. We've got to love those curves. Is it Kerry Washington or Beyonce's distant cousin? Neither. It's actress-singer Jennifer Hudson. You'll probably remember her as the podgy assistant to the skinny Sarah Jessica Parker in Sex and the City. Well, no more. She could have Sarah's fashionista sensibilities in a knot in her latest svelte avatar. Jonah Hill's becoming quite the stud himself. The 21 Jump Street star's fitness secret is eating healthy, running and doing push-ups. Shaking a leg can do wonders for the rest of the body. Take a look at actress Ricki Lake before and after her participation in Dancing with the Stars. Star Trek actress Kirstie Alley also went Ricki's way with her own appearance on the same reality show. The blonde stunner shed 100 pounds with her reality show outing. Comedian Seth Rogen looks less like a quintessential funny man and more like the hero with his weight loss. He lost the flab for his superhero flick The Green Hornet. American Idol season 6 winner Jordin Sparks went a few sizes slimmer. It's called grooming and we're glad she's got more sparks on her than just her name. Actor John Goodman took to the treadmill to lose weight. Cinema's former Fred Flintstone dropped quite a few stones, in his case an impressive 100 pounds. Flesh and Blood singer Connie Wilson is trying to preserve more of it now that she has lost those inches. The redhead ditched the plus-size clothing for some figure-hugging gowns worthy of a stunning appearance. Good girl singer Carrie Underwood might get a visit from Santa this Christmas. Her tenacious diet and exercise regime helped her drop 20 pounds to fit into those dreamy Hollywood dresses. Star Jones, former host of The View, lost a lot of weight after her gastric bypass surgery. And we definitely like what we see of The View before us. Princess Leila, aka Carrie Fisher, could give the young starlet some handy hints on staying fit. She should wear the iconic gold bikini from Star Wars while she's at it. Monique may not have the bikini bod yet, but we're sure she'll get there. The Oscar-winning actress has a dream weight pegged at 180 pounds and exercises at 5:30 a.m. 5 days a week as routine. TV's favorite agony aunt seems to be putting herself through agony too. Oprah Winfrey may have a fluctuating waistline, but when she does get around to losing weight, she can look quite lovely. American Idol judge Randy Jackson became a fitness guru after dropping 100 pounds in 2003 post a gastric surgery. His health book Body with Soul should give you some pointers on that front. Fashion Police star Kelly Osbourne began to live her part after moving from flab to fab. The style icon followed 3 basic fitness rules like eating breakfast, ditching soda for water and snacking in the evening. Janet Jackson has our respect too for slimming down despite some ill-fated diets. She looks every bit the curvaceous pop star her brother would have been proud of. Kristen Johnston did lose a lot of weight too, but she became dangerously close to skinny. She did admit in an interview that she was way too thin for her own good. Rules of Engagement star Sarah Rue will surely not rue the day she decided to lose excess weight. She's been looking like $1 million lately after dropping 50 pounds off her frame. Raven Simone of That's So Raven fame trimmed down much to the surprise of her critics. Her fabulous form shot down all the secret pregnancy rumors that were floating around her. The Price is Right host Drew Carey gave his fat the boot with a surprisingly sleek look in his public appearances. We've got to admit, the look is right. Tell us which celebrity you felt had the most drastic transformation in the comments below.